Anyone who's an immigrant probably carries the weight of their parents' expectations as well as the weight of their own expectations. As an immigrant who came to this country with dreams and hopes, you're going from one place to another place because you want to make a better life for yourself. My name is Lenny Zeltser. At Exonius, I'm the Chief Information Security Officer, and I also teach security classes at SANS Institute. I came to the US in the early 1990s. My family immigrated from the Soviet Union, and so we came here as refugees. As a young child, moving to a new country, you don't really understand what's going on. In my mind, I visualized the idea of moving to New York as going to a place where skyscrapers are everywhere. From my perspective, it was an adventure. I came to the US and I went to a high school here, but I had the benefit of going through the elementary and middle school education in the old Soviet system, which was quite good from the perspective of math and science. That background helped me get a solid start in my engineering-focused pursuit. Then in high school here, I had a chance to take an AP computer science class, and I thought, I really like this. Eventually, I got into UPenn, and so when it came time to decide what I want to major in, I leaned towards computer science. After graduation, I started working in system administration, Unix systems, Windows systems. Then I got into networking. I had a variety of skills and interests. And then I got assigned a project to deploy a firewall. I started to realize that this idea of defending systems really appeals to me. Cybersecurity is where a lot of other disciplines intersect. To do well today as a cybersecurity professional, you need to understand a lot about the world, not just understand a lot of aspects of technology. I remember as a kid building a fortress, and I thought, where can I fortify the windows and how can I build a moat in front of it? So something about building defensible systems is of interest to me. It's a lot of fun thinking about all the ways in which an entity can be attacked and trying to anticipate those attacks, both when you're dealing with a fortress as well as now when you're dealing with complex computer systems. When I became a CISO at Exonius, I remember thinking initially, I had no idea what I was doing. When I got a chance to meet other security executives, I realized that the same doubts and uncertainties that I had, turns out that that's normal. That realization encouraged me to interact with people who are older than me, who are younger than me, and learn from them, as well as share with others what I have learned, forcing the security program to mature. But in cybersecurity, there's always something new to explore because there's always some new flow that is entering your sphere of influence that you need to understand, and that takes you outside of your comfort zone. It gives you something to learn.